500 anghang. But yeah, till our next mga unta segment. Wow! Mga unta! Mga unta! Mga unta!
Hello, good afternoon. I'm Chef J, Johnny for short. I've been with the company for quite some time and the corporate chef. And good afternoon. You're all welcome here to our restaurant.
Yay!
Please follow me. So we're now on the carpet corner. Carpet 1, carpet 2, carpet 3, and carpet 4. And we'll go to the other side of Zabadani. This is our bar. This is where the famous layered coffee has been made by our good and very intelligent barman or barista. And another part here, the bigger one, the carpet for 4, for 6. This is for family. Okay. Zabadani Cafe is a halal Middle Eastern restaurant serving authentic and healthy dishes fused with Filipino taste in semi-fine dining center. Just last August, last year, we transferred here in Marfori, in front of Xana, for a larger space for our guests.
Please tell us, what are the specialties of Zabadani? What do you have to offer?
Well, for me, beef biryani, chicken biryani, lamb biryani, and fish biryani. We also have kapsa. If you have time, just visit us here in Marfori, in front of Xana. I hope you will enjoy this place of ours. From so it's all mixed. This red color and black color are all spices. So it relies on, pag sinabi namin na 500,000 siya, then definitely times 2. Now, the question is, can you carry it? Can you?
I'm not sure. We'll try. Okay.
This is it. The combination of garlic sauce, tomato sauce.
That is
Tomato sauce.
tomato sauce.
Plus the spicy powders.
Dun 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 dun.
And mix it.
That was like 2 teaspoons.
Half.
So that's like 2,000.
It's like 2,000. 200,000.
200,000.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the
by
color
100,
became
okay.
different. Naging parang dark orange na siya. Now for this, you can try.
So this is a concoction of different spices or sauces, and
Yes. And that is one of
Two-
Zabadani's secret sauce.
it's 200. Wait, focus.
200,000.
Focus. Hindi mo focus ang camera. Yeah. 200,000 spice.
Yeah.
But their maximum, actually 500,000 is not the maximum. It depends
It's
on
almost half.
how much you can tolerate. You can add. Chef Johnny will
Yes,
give
please.
you the privilege of like adding as much spice as you want, right?
Yes, please.
Okay.
I'll do it later for you.
We'll try it later.
And tell me what's the difference.
Alright, Chef Johnny is back, and he's back with a better presentation of the sauce, and I'm overexposed. Oh my god.
You have to try it. You have to try it.
200,000 level mixed spices, and we can try it with any kind of dish, and for now, I think we will try it with their Zabadani Mediterranean pizza. 200,000 level of spices. Hi guys. We have a visitor! We were supposed to try this spice together, but then I was left here alone, so I cheated a little, and I already tried the 200,000 spice.
Ay, yun yun.
This is a 200,000, not the 500,000. I already tried it, and it's okay. I would say I can handle the 500,000.
Why are you not focusing, my
Because-
dear?
Focus! Focus. Focus.
Okay. Parang imagine ka tayo. Hi guys, sorry I'm late.
Very famous yan sa Middle East.
So, what is it called, chef?
It's called Reta. R-E-T-A. One of the most famous salad in Middle East.
And I heard it's not yet out here. It's not
yet out in the
available.
market. It's only for tonight, and
Yeah.
then it will be out maybe next month sa Cotabato branch.
I'm here with my vlogging mentor, Carla Misa.
Vlogging mentor.
By Carla Misa on YouTube.
Hi!
And we're just killing the time while waiting for the other girls. We're supposed to eat together, but the food, there's actually something waiting for us already. This is retta. And this is supposed to be an appetizer. It's made of yogurts and other stuff. It's a salad / appetizer, and it's also an antidote if you eat something too spicy for you. So this is in preparation for the 500,000 spices dish that we're gonna have later. And according to chef, this is also an aphrodisiac. So Carla's gonna have maybe half of this dish later. Right, Carla?
Yeah, maybe. I need this in my life.
Oh my god. And then at the Ses or Ses Knobs will be back in a few minutes, and Chai gonna
She's so pretty. I love her lippy and her makeup. Pak
Change.
na pak ang kilay, girl. Hindi na Korean.
change look for
Yeah.
today. Yeah, I'm inspired by my lippy. This is di ko sa my god.
So proud of this girl.
Yeah, my lipstick is from BH Cosmetics in Clara.
Nice nga po yung pilok mo na.
And then my eyebrows is just a Etude House face.
And your lashes.
Etude House BB cream, Sigma blush, a concealer. What's some concealer? Maybelline. Garnier roll on. You know the light concealer. And my eyelashes, extensions.
So natural.
Oh, eyeliner K palette.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, and then your makeup of the day. Oh my gosh, my makeup of the day. Wait lang, focus daw. Yan.
Okay. So for my makeup of the day, super simple, everyday makeup as usual. Into It, I think I used Into It brow powder and set it with the L'Oreal Brow Plumper. For my mascara, I just used the K palette, One Day Lash Perm, the violet one. Tapos, for my contour, MUA bronzer, blush, MAC in Melba. Tapos, lippy, lip liner in Jordana, Rock and Rose, topped with MAC Kinda Sexy. Tapos, ano ba? Foundation. Oh my god, wait lang, hihingal ako. Foundation. I used Natural Actor. Tapos on top of that, I used the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. And then powder, I used the Nichido translucent thingamajiggers in Dreamy Glow. Yun. And then, lastly, highlight is MUA in Undress My Skin.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yeah.
Too long.
Doctor is here! Yay! We're just waiting for Antasas, and then we're gonna try their dishes. So here we are. We're finally gonna try the 200,000 level spice. This is the powder, and this is it with the garlic sauce and other secret sauces by Chef Johnny. We're gonna eat that with a pizza, and we have Retta here as an antidote in case it's too spicy, especially for Doc Jo.
Oh my god.
Right?
Wala yung spices.
Dapat una magkukuha ninyo daan sa kate. Sabay subo.
Sige.
Sige.
Sorry,
Lord,
I'm gonna
Lord,
get it.
Lord, kasi kayo, yo. Uy, dumagin na.
Lagi tumagan ako.
1, 2, 3, go.
Sorry.
Ate Sis.
Yeah, can I try one? I'll try one. Thanks.
Agay, gino. Just say aside. Ayaw, Jo. Iman? Nabot akong
What is it?
gumawa.
Carry bells.
Wala eh. May lakon lang sa akin eh.
Malang.
Halang kayo.
So, spicy.
Very spicy.
Carry siya in fairness.
Okay lang, pero mawala man siya kasi tayo.
Okay.
Dalag, nagkaon.
200,000? Ay, ano gana? Ano dito? Ano dito?
Nagulog ka pa yung 600,000. Ano kasi ako pagkahalang.
Okay. Okay. Yummy. Sige, sige. So, are you ready for the 500,000 level? 500. 500,000? Okay. We'll order one dish na siguro. I'm in a chef. Sige, majigas. I will enter inside the kitchen with chef.
Chef natin dito ay saka si Chef Danny.
Chef Danny. Okay.
Tingnan natin yung 500,000 mo.
Apa. Padapin na ka, chef. Hi guys. Hi guys. Asan po ako? Pwede na ano, hindi ako nakakasagabal. Kulban lagi ko.
Sa kitchen, dapat meron tayong sariling spoon
Apa.
to taste with. Ha? Importante yan. Kasi nakikita ko sa sanitation. Okay? So, ayun yung 500,000 mo. Spices.
500,000 spices.
Would you like to taste this? So this is a 500,000 spicy pit kapsa, okay? So tingnan natin kung kakayanin mo today, okay? Put it that way. That way. Okay. Put this on the side. You take all the sauces here. Okay. Para sa maging mukhang colorful lalo, kailangan lalagyan sa ating
Your order, please. Chef, I noticed something.
What is it?
Your hand. Bracelet. Oh!
Same.
Wait, they're the
Oh my
same.
What does this mean?
We're God-fearing people.
So this is our finished product. Pick up, please.
Yay! It's done.
Okay, seven. So, saan mo siya gusto ilagay?
Yeah.
Candle sa table mo? or-
That's good.
Ay, kapag siya na.
That's ours.
Ay, dapat siya na bisibel kaon. Gusto ko yung mother.
Ako lang ba inyo ginapatilok sa mga di nyo mahurot? This is lamb kabsa.
Nasa ilalim niyo yung matcha.
This is matcha green tea layered coffee. So matcha at the lowest level, milk coffee. So you swirl it like that with our expert, Cessnobs, Busy Queen Feels. Visit her
With the
channel.
body mechanics.
Beef kebab, beef sirloin kabsa, and 500,000 spice. Pak! Ganon! And preparing our individual yogurts in case of emergency. Dili na kay nana dili tanan, gibubo nila. Gibubo nila.
Hindi na kaya ba?
Wait lang. Evil! 4 slices lang.
Okay, sige. Bring it on.
Oh my god, it's recording mo.
Ate kayo ba no?
1.
Okay.
Diba? Lagyan na natin ng sauce para mas better.
Ha? Chef, na individual na chef.
Sige na, ako, lalagyan natin yung sauce yan.
Yes.
Para sa ganun.
Chef! Basta mag-tissue
Tissue ba yun? Tissue ba yun?
Uy, smell pa lang.
Uy, di ko yung magagawa lang. Am I gonna live?
Yes, you will. Sometimes you have to go out of your comfort zone. Karang pick up my card on Lisa.
Makaiyak na ako.
How do you feel?
Can I get my water?
Feeling excited.
I'm so nervous. Because I don't eat spicy food like this level. And that girl is so evil. Is so evil. Is so evil. She's laughing because
Uy!
okay. Hi guys, I'm here. And go back to my original 100 gig yung memory girl.
64. 500,000. Dun. Oh my god.
Oh my god, intense again.
Oh my god. Lagi ka to sis.
Ninood na ni siya.
Careful what you wish for.
Cause you just might get it.
Kailan buo?
3 ah.
Keep me ready, chef.
Count to 3.
Ala, maliit na lang yung sidecar. Lagi yung
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Or naku.
Kasi, count to 3 ah.
Dapat puno siya sauce.
1, 2, 3, go!
Kinakaya ko. Later on pa siya mag-effect. Oh my god.
Hindi ka pa namumula.
Oh my god, grabe ka.
I think I can eat it.
Nakaya mo?
I think I can. With rice.
With rice. Okay.
Woo! After na siya ma-feel mo siya after.
Oh yeah, with yogurt daw. Yogurt eh.
Initially, hindi siya halang.
Pag mo
Bugay na siya, halang madugay siya.
Pilit ko eh.
Kaya pero andyan pa rin yung spider.
Kapit siya kung makapit siya dito.
Kailangan pala mga 900,000.
Oh my god! 900. Torture na siya.
Siyempre yung yung sabi ni Ralph, parang bagay kay Shana yung 1 million level.
Oh my god!
I think.
Tapos sabi ni Chef Ralph, pag kaya daw ubusin yung 1 million na level, or kahit 500,000,
Lifetime supply.
free daw lahat, sabi ni Chef Ralph.
Oh my god!
Sabi ni Rob.
Sabi ni Ralph.
Roy! Taiwan girl!
I like lamb.
You like the lamb?
How about the lamb?
It's finished. It's done with the food.